As we have seen how to create partition table, let us understand how we can add static partitions to partition tables in Spark Metastore. We can add partitions using alter table command with add partition. For each and every partition created, a subdirectory will be created using partition column name and corresponding value under the table directory. Let us understand how to add partitions to orders underscore part, which is created earlier under itversity underscore retail database. Here is the script to add static partitions to a partition table where partition column type is string. As we have created the partition table orders underscore part using partition column of type integer, I am dropping that table, creating it, and then altering it to add the partition with string type partition column value, and then we'll actually review the output of hdfs dfs-ls command to see how the folder structure will be. Then we'll actually get into the creating the same partition table with integer column type again, and then we'll add partitions into it. Let's go ahead and connect to the database, drop the table if it exists, create the table orders underscore part, which is partitioned, and the partition column is order month and the type is string. Let's review this folder path. As we just created the partition table, there are no folders or files in it. It is just empty. Now I am adding partition to orders underscore part table using add partition with alter table, and then in circle brackets I have specified the column name, which is equal to the column value for which this partition will contain the data. In this case, it is nothing but 2013 July. Now I can run this. It will take care of adding the partition to the existing table. We can validate by running this command. You can see the folder name is nothing but order underscore month equal to 2013-07 without single quotes in it. This is how the folders will be created by default. We can customize it, but it is not a good practice to customize by specifying the location. That being said, now let's go ahead and add static partition to a partition table where partition column type is integer. As the table is created with partition column order month of type string, I am going to drop the table, and then I will be recreating the table with order month of type integer. Let me actually connect to the database, drop the table. Let me create this partition table with partition column as order month of type integer. Let me describe to ensure it. You can see that the data type of partition column is of type integer. We can validate this location. You will not be seeing any folders or files underneath it because we just created the table after dropping it. We can alter this table orders underscore part by adding one partition. We can also add multiple partitions like this. If you want to add multiple partitions, the syntax is alter table table name add, and then you just have to say partition with partition column name equal to corresponding column value. You can specify as many as you want. Now let me run this, and also let me run this. You should be able to see 4 subfolders in this location. Each one of them have order month equal to the corresponding month value. One is 2013 July, second one is 2013 August, third one is 2013 September, fourth one is 2013 October. As human, we are able to understand it. The Hive engine or Spark Metastore engine might not be able to understand. We need to ensure that data is pre-processed before getting data into this table, satisfying the criteria. If you just copy some random data, it will take care of copying it. However, you will not be able to see the results properly. It is our responsibility to get the data into this table in consistent manner according to the table and partitions created.